Aventura is getting bigger, and not just a little bigger. This is the kind of expansion that shifts an entire city's future. Today we are talking about a major $131 million move that could reshape the retail and real estate landscape around Aventura Mall. I'm Carlos Martel with Richard Investments Group, and if you have been watching Aventura's growth, you know this market never stays still. And now Turnberry and Simon, two absolute heavyweights, just doubled down on one of the most successful malls in America. Here's what happened. Seritage Growth Properties, the company that has been liquidating its national portfolio, just sold its last Miami-Dade property, a massive 12.2-acre parcel attached to Aventura Mall. Turnberry and Simon Property Group bought it for $131.4 million. This is the site where Sears used to be, and now it's clear that the vision for Aventura Mall is far bigger than what we see today. This isn't just a land grab. This is a strategic play. According to The Real Deal, Turnberry and Simon plan to expand the mall footprint, bringing even more high-end retail, entertainment, and mixed-use possibilities. Aventura Mall is already one of the nation's top performers, over $1,900 per square foot in retail sales. When owners buy land at this scale, they're not thinking small. We're taking multi-phase development, new experiences, and more reasons for tourists and locals to stay, shop, and invest in Aventura. The Miami Herald and Commercial Observer both highlight the same theme. Retail is not slowing down in South Florida. Nationally, some malls are struggling. In Aventura, it's the opposite. Foot traffic is up, high-end brands are expanding, and the Aventura submarket has become a magnet for luxury tenants. This expansion reinforces Aventura Mall as a regional powerhouse, a tourism anchor, a long-term economic engine for the city. Now let's talk real estate, because big commercial moves always send ripple effects. More development around Aventura Mall means higher long-term property values in the surrounding neighborhoods, increased demand for international buyers, more jobs, more traffic, more tourism, stronger rental demand, and potentially mixed-use development that blends retail, food, entertainment, and luxury residences. This kind of news is what you watch when you want to understand the next 10 years of a city. Turnberry and Simon have not announced final plans yet, but with this acquisition, they now control the entire site. Given their track record, Turnberry Isle, Fontainebleau, and the existing Aventura Mall, it's safe to expect something ambitious. This is a kind of deal that usually leads to renderings, announcements, and a construction timeline in the near future. If you live in Aventura, invest in Aventura, or you're thinking about it, keep your eye on this story. These are the moves that shape a market for a generation. I'll keep breaking down all major real estate news as it happens. This is Carlos Martel, your Aventura and South Florida real estate resource. Stay tuned, and I'll bring you updates as soon as more details come out.